In today's video, I'm going to show you how much you can make for views on YouTube. Here on my YouTube studio, I'm going to come here into the view section and I'm going to click on here for you to see the number of views that was made on 17th December 2025. This is the number of views this channel had. And if I come here on the 16th, you see this is the number of views it had. On the 13th, I had 358 views. To know how much this can make you on YouTube, let's go to our revenue. You can see from the revenue here that on the 17th, 429 views made $6.29, which I wasn't expecting. And you can see on the 16th, 409 views made $3.33. And you can see that on the 13th, not so much. We had 358 views. It made $1.62.